What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Gala games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.01908. We're down about 6% on the day, sitting a market cap of 670 million. 24-hour volume is 81 million. So, if we pop into Gala, we can see we've come down very, very swiftly. Now, this is a 5-wave move, which is typical of a wave A. Wave 2 pullback can come all the way down to the 78.6% fib level, which is currently at 0.01614. In an ABC correction, potentially we could bounce off the golden ratio, which is at 0.01811. If we were to see a straight breakout and you break this high, that means the correction is over. But as of right now, you have a nice 5-wave move, which is typical of an A, and then you see a bounce in a wave B, you come down in a wave C into our target zone before seeing continuation back to the upside. If we look at the daily chart, as we can see, it broke out of our inverse head and shoulders. So now looks like we're coming back for a retest. Unfortunately, we didn't hold the bullish cross, so we need to get that bounce, get back above the daily EMAs, and see continuation up to the target of about 0.02780. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend Gala. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for North America. You get 10% back on your trade, on your fees. BITUNIX is one of the few exchanges for trading futures in North America. Check the link at the top of the comments. Join my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.